everyone, welcome back to Ifa World. Today in my video we'll see how can make beetroot pickle. So here are the ingredients. 1 small beetroot, 10 dates, some carrot chopped, 2 tablespoons of sugar, some garlic, chili powder and pickle powder mixed together, half a glass of vinegar and some salts. Now let's start. First we move the garlic. We will use the garlic later. Now let's put the other ingredients into the grinder. Beetroot, salt, half glass of vinegar, chili powder and pickle powder mixed together, two tablespoons of sugar, carrot chopped and 10 dates. Now let's grind them. Now I have finished grinding. Now I'm going to put into this bowl. Now I have finished grinding. Now I'm going to put the garlic and mix them well. Now yummy beetroot pickle is ready.